Welcome to my channel English with Tari. Here today I am going to share heartbroken and heart-touching quotes and sayings. Let my soul smile through my heart, and my heart smile through my eyes, that I may scatter rich smiles in sad hearts. They asked, "Who hurt you?" I answered, "The one I truly love, the one whom I give my trust, the one whom I really loved and cared for. The one whom I imagined spending the rest of my life. I hide those pain, just to make you happy. I hide my feeling, just to make you comfortable. I held my tears, just to make sure you didn't feel burdened. But it's nothing, 'cause I'm nothing. I built walls around me, cemented with distrust, never to believe was engraved in my blood. I never had to fight a battle or watch myself break. Never had to pick up the pieces, 'cause I wouldn't let anyone else in. As they told us they are leaving, our heart broke into more and more pieces. The more they said we should find another one, the more our heart broke. When they asked me, 'Are you okay?' I said, 'I'm fine, thank you.' I said that at least 100 times a day. And I didn't even meant it. I'm not sad, but I'm not exactly happy either. I can laugh and make jokes and smile during the day. But sometimes at night I forget how to feel like that. I don't know why. Can I tell you something just between you and me? When I hear your voice, I know I'm finally free. Every single word is perfect as it can be, and I need you here with me. Then I just realized that we're just a memories between you and me. I don't hate you, I hate what you did to me. You are my tears, you are my fear, my biggest fear. I'm afraid of losing you, but now, it's real. My biggest fear had came true. Moving on from someone you loved is a constant battle. It physically and emotionally drains you when you're trying to fight back memories and feelings. That's the difference between us. When you were sad, I gave you the ocean of words. But when I was sad, you just waited for me to get better. Remember the last day we talked? All of the emotions mixed and I couldn't do anything about it. But how could you look so calm? Maybe you've already planned of leaving since the day we met. The saddest people trying their best to make people around them happy because they know how it's like to feel absolutely worthless, depressed and having a tremendous pain. Like and share this video.